Hello and welcome to Full Course Online. Now that you've uploaded your files to OneDrive, it's time to organize them. Keeping your files well structured not only saves you time but also helps you stay productive and clutter-free. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create folders, move files, and manage your content in OneDrive, both through the web and the desktop app. Let's start with how to create a new folder. If you're using the OneDrive web interface, first navigate to the location where you want to add a folder. Then, look at the command bar at the top of the screen and click the New button. From the drop-down menu, select Folder. A box will appear asking you to name your folder. Type in a name, click Create, and your new folder will appear. If you're using the OneDrive desktop app, the process is just as simple. Open the OneDrive folder on your computer. Right-click inside the directory where you want to add your new folder, then select New Folder. Name the folder, press Enter, and you're done. Now let's talk about organizing files into those folders. There are two main ways to do this. The first is drag and drop. Simply click on the file you want to move, drag it from the file list, and drop it into the folder where it belongs. The second method is cut and paste. Right-click the file you want to move, then click Cut. Navigate to the destination folder, right-click inside it, and select Paste. The file will now be stored in its new location. Let's move on to how to rename and delete folders. Select the folder you want to rename. On the contextual bar, click Rename. A pop-up window will appear. Write the name and click Update. To delete a file or folder, select it. On the contextual bar, click on Delete. A warning message will appear. Click on Delete. Don't worry, deleted folders or files are moved to the recycle bin, where you can restore them later if needed. And that's it.